Rajan never fails to surprise. At a time when everyone thought Finance Minister Arun Jaitley's budget giveaways on the fiscal front may have spoiled the chances of an interest rate cut at this juncture, the RBI governor announced a surprise 0.25% point cut in the repo rate. Rajan justifies the action because he believes the government's fiscal consolidation program is indeed credible. It may be delayed, but he believes it is going to be compensating for the delay in quality. North Block has welcomed Governor Rajan's gesture, saying the move will help spur growth.
But India Inc. believes that the time for gradual easing is now over. Top chief executives do tell ET Now that with inflationary pressures clearly on the ebb, the RBI should clip in with plenty more. For now, this rate cut alone will have no meaningful impact on your home or even your car loans, but it will surely lift the sentiment for corporates, India and the markets. Rajan's surprise rate cut and how will it play out on the larger economy is our top story on Business Tonight.
Rajan is at it again, at a time when everyone thought a rate cut is some time away, especially after the union budget shifted the fiscal goalposts. The RBI governor cut the benchmark interest rates by 25 basis points. Rajan justifies the move, saying that the fiscal consolidation program, while delayed, scores on the quality front.
A number of expressed intents from the government to clean up the legacy issues of the past and ensure that what you see is what you get on the budget. The revenue projections are, in our view, a little more conservative also. And also there are a number of transfers that have been made to the state. There are a number of intents which could result in a higher quality sort of consolidation process.
Many believe that Rajan may have just advanced an April rate cut by a couple of weeks, and the RBI has limited headroom to cut rates further. But the governor has kept the option open, saying everything will depend on monetary policy transmission, something which has been bothering him since the January rate cut.
The process of transmission is somewhat asymmetric, that banks tend to be a little faster in raising rates rather than in cutting rates. I have no doubt that the pressure of these two rate cuts over time will feed into lower rates. But we're also examining whether there are any institutional constraints in passing on these rate cuts.
So can we expect a swift action from banks this time around? Bankers say they will take a call soon, but many believe that a cut in base rates may begin only by the end of the month. And that's when the EMIs on your home and auto loans will start coming down.
So it is really about cost of funds, and that is what the ALCO committee of most banks would be looking to consider. So I'm sure you will hear some decisions maybe in the next 30 days or so.
Today's rate cut has clearly lifted the sentiment, and the North Block, which has been batting for a monetary action, is finally breathing easy. But the moot question is, will this rate cut be enough to revive the animal spirits in the economy? Kumar, ET Now, Mumbai.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.